Welcome to today's guide, where we're diving into how you can easily find all the media you've sent on WhatsApp using the PC app, especially after the latest update. If you've ever struggled to locate a photo, video, or document you shared weeks ago, this new feature is going to make your life a lot simpler. Let's get right into it. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're using the updated desktop version because the interface has changed slightly, and this new feature only appears in the latest release. Once the app opens, take a look at the left side of your screen. There, you'll notice a small media icon in the side menu. Click on it. This is where WhatsApp now keeps all your shared photos, videos, and files neatly organized in one convenient place. Next, you'll see several options appear. Click on Media. This section contains every piece of visual content exchanged through your chats, from images and GIFs to short clips and longer videos. It's an easy way to scroll through your media library and quickly spot what you need without opening individual chats. Now, at the top of this screen, look for the Sort icon. It's a small but powerful button that lets you filter content however you like. Go ahead and click on it. After that, you'll see a few sorting options pop up. To view only the media that you have sent, select View. Instantly, WhatsApp will filter everything down so you only see the photos, videos, and files that came from your own account. Simple, clean, and incredibly useful if you're trying to find something you shared in a busy group chat. And that's it. In just a few quick clicks, you can now locate all your sent media right from your PC, thanks to this new streamlined feature. It's one of those small updates that makes a huge difference in everyday use, saving you time and helping keep your digital life organized. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy WhatsApp tips coming your way every week.